Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Take Charan, and today I'm talking about communication. How's going in my last 7 days? I practiced communication for 7 days. Here, what changed? The basically communication is the skill. I was very bad at communication, so I tried for 7 days. This what actually changed. I'm not naturally confident, but I tested simple communication habit for 7 days, and the result surprised me. Day 1 and 2 very struggleful for me, and first 2 days I realized my biggest problem. I talk too fast, and I try slowing down slowing down, but it felt awkward, like I was facing every word. Add example, I was speaking like wrong word, unsure word, so it makes me confused and really awkward. And like 3 and 4, I was away. Then I change one thing. I start pausing, and 1 minute like talking, and then bit pause, and then again start. So example, we should do this. Suddenly, people start listen me more. Day 5 and 6, confident shifts. I stop at trying to be sound smart. I used to simple word and face on clarity. Examples, we need to optimize. This is bit harder, and like advanced levels of like words on that. Not to say we need to optimize efficiency, but let's make this faster. This gonna be work good, understandable. People understand this, and people understand me faster also. And by the day 7, I noticed something is crazy happen. People don't interrupt me, they actually listen me. That's when I realized communication is not talent, it's skill. How you improve. If you practice every day, it's gonna be improved. If you want to improve, do this. Slow down your speech, use the simple word, pause after key points. I'm still improving, but this 7 day change made me real differences. If you want, I will continue this video journey and share what actually work.